To sign up for one of our courses, please first go to our website, www.tech4re.com. At the top where it says put in your email address and password, simply put in your username and password. We always do recommend that you do use your email as your username, but you don't have to. Once you put this in, go ahead and log in. If you have never registered for one of our courses before, or you don't have a username and password, go ahead and click on the register button instead of the login button. It will now welcome you with your name. You can go ahead into the calendar and sign up for one of the courses. On the bottom left-hand corner, you will go ahead and see the registration button. Go ahead and click on register. At this point, you have the ability to add more events if you choose to do so. If you're registering more than one person, please do this separately under their own username and password. Please do not register a partner, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend under your own account. Let's go ahead and add more events. I can now go back into the calendar, go ahead and click on other classes I would like to register, bottom left-hand corner, and register. Notice at this point I have 2 courses that I would like to go ahead and sign up for. Let's go ahead and check out. Once I check out, please fill in all of the information that is mandated, notated by the red mark. After filling in the necessary information, go down to the payment information. Either use PayPal or the credit card. Put in the credit card number and process registration. You will get multiple emails. The first one telling you that you have registered for the class properly, and another one showing a receipt of the payment. If you did not receive either of those, please let us know just as soon as possible. If the course was a Zoom live course, you will get the Zoom link 24 hours before the class starts. If you did not receive that, please let us know as soon as possible after checking in spam first. And that's how you register for one of our courses. Let us know if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns. Thank you very much.